The floor is yours.
Madam Chair, honourable members, the upcoming enlargement package will be, of course, an occasion to take stock of our relations with Bosnia and Herzegovina, and we expect to see reforms delivered on the key priorities, as it was also approved by the Council. Because it is only through delivering a substantial set of reforms that Bosnia and Herzegovina will be able to advance on its EU path and demonstrate to its people that it has taken seriously the offer made by the European Union. From our side, we will continue, of course, to support Bosnia and Herzegovina. If there is any conclusion to be drawn from this discussion, it would be that it is equally important for all EU institutions to give recognition to progress where recognition is due. In other words, it would be a mistake to punish the entire country for the acts of one of its leaders while the results have been delivered by the others.
Thank you very much, Mr. Commissioner. Now I would like to give the floor to the rapporteur, Mr. Rangel. The floor is yours.
Thank you, Madam President, Commissioner, colleagues. 1 year ago, we are voting on the last report on Bosnia and Herzegovina. 12 months later, a lot is different, positively different, and something remains, unfortunately, the same. At state level, at federation level, at canton level, even at the level of civil society, we see improvement, we see resumption of political decision-making, we see that progress has been made on the European path. There is still, of course, a lot to be done. The protection of minorities, judicial and constitutional reform, public administration, economic development, the green transition or education, among others. But the signs are positive for now. At the level of Republika Srpska, however, we see the regression, the rise of the inflammatory speech, divisive, secessionist rhetoric of Mr. Dodik and his allies. One man cannot hold the country and its progress on European integration hostage. They are the legitimate aspirations of an entire people. This Parliament has been a constant supporter of Bosnia and Herzegovina European path. Less than a year ago, there were still those who doubted that it could even achieve the candidate status. But anyone who knows the country and its people, who has been to the churches, mosques and synagogues of Sarajevo, who has talked to its inhabitants, knows that anyone who has gone through what the Bosnians have gone through and overcome, it's capable of the greatest things, of the greatest achievements. So I would like to thank my colleagues with our work on this report, the Commission and the Council, for their commitment to showing the way forward to Bosnia, for Bosnia and Herzegovina and its people. Now, we must be consistent, reject divisions, reject attacks, and support this future for Bosnia and the whole region. Thank you very much.
And we thank you, Mr. Rangel. Thank you very much. The debate is closed and the vote will be held tomorrow. Now I have a short